Hey there, Djglamorous family, it's Djglamorous. Hugs and kisses to you all. I'm just outside on this beautiful day. The sun is shining a little bit, having a cup of tea. You can hear the rosella birds. Okay, and the cockatoos are coming. And we are going to do a little feeding session. Okay. So I'm just doing plain water crackers, and I made a huge pot in the rice cooker of steamed rice with a tiny bit of salt. They love a little bit of salt. I'm going to do little balls for them, and they're going to come and eat them from me. You'll see. Yay. And Rocky's watching from the window. He loves this. Right. Just send a few out. The lorikeets actually like. Oh, here we go. Here they come. Excuse my look. It's just so beautiful. Hey, and Rocky has. Oh look! Come on, baby. There's only a few cockatoos at the moment. Come on, sweetheart. It's all right. Get that one. You get that one? You can't see that. I got one. Two of the copies. Okay, so far. Hi, Rosellas. The rice. I made the rice yesterday. Oh, hi. I forgot to bring a little thing for the rice, but it's okay. Hi. Hi. I brought my scarf actually. Hello. You can hear them. They're so loud. The rosella birds are so loud. Now there's 3 cockatoos. Come on. I could try and make them come to me again, like last time. And it's a really busy road here, like, so people going past. Alright, the cockatoos are coming. You'll see them soon. Come on, hi. Hello, darlings. Come up here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Alright, yeah, they're starting to come up. You'll see in a minute. Hi. How you had that? Can you see my hand? Yeah. See the cocky? Hi. Hello. Go. Yeah, go. Get it? Hello. Isn't that gorgeous? Hi. Alright, here they come. Come on. Yeah. You talk to them. They understand. Hi. Hi. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. Come on. Come on. Look how precious. No, don't be scared. I know. You're weird. Yeah, got it. Is that better? Oh, hello. Cute little rosella. Can't see. Hi. Oh. That's it. All right, wait. Yeah, do this. Yeah. Do the rice. You have the rice. Yeah. Come on. It's been raining a lot. So the lorikeets, okay, the lorikeets eat the rice. Oh, sorry, Cookie. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Hi, come on. Hi. And the cockies love rice as well. It's not, it's different. I'm not sure if you can see much at the moment because they're sort of all down on the ground. And just because of my own privacy reasons, I don't want to advertise where I live, if you know what I mean. Hi, hello. Hi, yeah. Hi. Come on. Oh, wow. Hi. Wow, oh my goodness. Hello. Come on. Hi. How are you? Wow. Hi, dear. Hello. Hi. Here. Hello. Come on. Hi. Hello. Look. Yeah, it's okay. Hello. Come. Here. Come on. Yeah, look good. It's so beautiful. So pretty. Come on. Yeah, come on. You have this one. Look. Oh. Hello. Some of them talk. Hello. Beautiful. Oh, so big. Hi. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. You have to be very quiet, speak quietly with them and gentle. They're so cute. I don't know if you can see them eating. I hope so, in the trees. Hang on, they're like flying around everywhere. I don't want the video on me, I want it on the birds. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh, you got some? Oh, look. Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. Oh, my gosh. Let me try and show you down there or something. Hold on. Just put it back there for now. Hi! They talk to you. Some of them talk to you. They're amazing. Hello. Here's the back. Yeah, for you. How are you? Yeah. How gorgeous is that? Seriously. Hi, come on. Come on. Hi. Ready? I'll give you a big one. Hi. Hi. Oh no. Here. Get it. Oh, what? Oh, no. Yeah, come here. It's okay. No, it's okay. Got it. Yeah. Get it. Ready? Get it. Get it. Yeah, you got it. Oh, darling, you got it. How beautiful. So on the steps, there's like about 10 lorikeets. Okay. There's, oh wow, there's, oh gosh, 4 cockies. Oh, here they come. Hi. You like that? All right. Hi. And then you see they've eaten. You know which ones, because I'm going to do little rice balls. Plain rice, tiny bit of salt. Tiny bit. Okay, here. I'll show you. Just doing really small. Hi. Right. Like tiny. Hi. Nice. Ah, look. So I love that too. Alright, you know, just little tiny rice ball. Hi. Do you like? Oh. It's okay. Come on. So they're very noisy. Alright. Oh no. Come on. Good. 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 Oh, what's down there? It's okay. Alright, hold on. Alright, you see them come now full on. They'll stop very quick. Come on. They really prefer the dry biscuits, the cockatoos. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good. Yeah. Come on. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So you see they let their friends know. Oh wow, okay. Hi. Hello. Hello. Go. Don't be scared. It's okay. Go. Go. Oh, you took it. Hi. I know. Come here. Come here. Okay. Get it. Get it. Oh. Alright, come on, Sophie. Yeah, for you too. I'm trying to make sure they all get, because some of them are shy. It's like, come on. Oh, oh, they're so beautiful. How precious is this? It makes my day, and I know Rocky's watching. How are you? Can you see them all? I hope so. I don't have my glasses on. Hi. Yeah, hi. There's the boys. Right. I tend to give them half each. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? You good? Alright, yeah, good. Hi. Hi. You got it. Ready? Okay, yeah. Go on. Yeah. You got it? Yeah. Nice. Get something. Yeah. Right. Oh, hi. Oh, no. Is it nice? It's alright. Can I go? Oh, no. Oh, hello. Okay, you go now. Alright, good. Stickies. Oh, hello. Yeah, ready? There's a little Rosella right here. Oh, you want the biscuit? You want the biscuit? Yeah. Oh, hi. No, you have that one. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm here. Alright. I don't know if you had even punching. Come on. Yeah, come on. Hi, come. Hello. Oh, you want that? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh, hello. Got it? Look at them flocking, they're amazing. Hello, the king is up here. He is right. Oh, is it nice? Oh no, okay. Oh, you guys. Okay. Yes. Up here you can't see. Look, I'll try and show you. Yeah, hold on. Let me get this tip. Okay. Hi. Oh, look at you all. Wow. Look how gorgeous. Oh, you want to do some more? Yeah. Oh. I know. And no, it doesn't leave a mess, if anyone's wondering. They eat everything. Everything. Are you still up there? Come on. Oh, you want that one? No fight. Come on. Come on, little one. Okay, go. You go. Oh. Roll. Hey, no fighting. No fights. It's alright. I got some for all of you. Right? Next time I'll try to get a better angle because they're all up in the trees here. Maybe you can see some. And then there's about 30 Rosella birds on the stairs here. Actually cutting it into 4 pieces now. You got it? Oh. And they hold it with their claws. It's so beautiful. Hello. Oh, they come right up to my feet. Hi. Yeah, go. Oh, it's just so fresh. It's beautiful. All right, ready? Come on. Lucky I had the scarf, so then I can wash the scarf. Yay. Okay. Is that good? Yes. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. You got it? Right. Here you go. That's okay. Come on. You're okay, girl. Alright. You full? I'll see you again. Or you can stay for more. Good. He's still got some, and he's trying to get more. What is that? Look at that rock. Hi. Come on. Oh! It's okay here. Good. Alright, ready? Got it? Some more? No, my finger! No, my finger! Oh my. Alright. 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 There you go. Come and get some. No, no fighting. Sorry. Here, go. No fighting. Stop. Sometimes they can get a bit full-on, but you tell them and they behave. They're okay. Alright, now you're okay. Come on. So now, they've used the whole packet. I love them, seriously. Now I've still got all this rice, which I made for the birdies. They're for the birds. Hold on. Now, so I'm going to try. We got this biscuit. You got it? Are you alive? Oh, you got it. Alright, hold on. Did you like it? No. Not my hands. Not my hands, babies. Ready? Alright. Ready? Hold on. Nice. Okay. Come here. Ready? Here, Papa. Look. Here. Good, Dad. Here. What is that? Oh, you have this one. Yeah? Hello. This is hard to actually put them into little holes. I have to admit. Oh, you got it. Yay. Hi. Hello. Good lady. Right. You want more biscuits? They want more biscuits. Bubbles. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, look, yeah. Look there. You don't understand. Oh. Yeah. Wow. I know, I look so naughty throwing it on the stairs, but I promise you, they eat every drop. And very quickly. Let's have a video. I've still got heaps. I'm Hi. It's very nice. Sometimes they don't understand the rice situation. Let me try. Can you see better? Sort of. This one. Oh, I know it's a big mess. You have to eat it all up. Yeah? Yeah. Do you want to have some? I'm going to put this and see if they go. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe not. Cockatoos like the rice, but not so much. Oh. The rosellas, they're gorgeous. I love it. I know. I'll put my glasses on. Because I can't see. I'm filming, and you can see the babies. Look, they're all here. You see it? I'm scared. It's like, hi. So the little rosellas, they love. I hope I'm getting it properly. Like, here, I know, it's a horrendous mess. Look at that, how gorgeous. So you can see, I won't use that rice because they've got plenty there. And they're going to eat all that up. I love it. I really enjoy it. Okay. So I'm going to end this video here. But just, I hope you enjoyed this because it's so special and adorable. I only feed them things that are good for them, you know, and it's just beautiful. It's so gorgeous and precious to be around these little darlings. It's just so gorgeous. So I'll leave it for now and I'll be back soon. I love you all. Keep smiling. Bye.